Everybody keeps talking about YouTube's AI crackdown, channels getting demonetized, videos getting flagged, people saying AI content is basically dead. I understand why creators are worried, because if you're running a faceless channel or you're using AI-generated visuals, it can feel like you're directly in the danger zone. But I think most people are focusing on the wrong thing, because YouTube isn't killing AI content. It's killing content that nobody remembers. Think about it. You've probably seen channels like this before. Random AI images, random thumbnails, random art styles, a generic AI voice, no mascot, no recognizable character, no visual identity, no branding. And when the video ends, you couldn't even tell me which channel made it. That's the real problem, not AI being forgettable. So today, I'm going to try something completely different. Instead of asking ChatGPT to create another AI video, I'm going to ask it to build an entire YouTube brand from scratch. A channel name, a mascot, a logo, a banner, and even character poses. Basically, everything needed to turn a generic channel into something people actually remember. But before we start, I need to give ChatGPT the right instructions, because if you ask vague questions, you get vague answers. So I created a massive brand-building prompt that forces ChatGPT to act like a professional branding strategist and walk through the entire process, step by step. Now, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll give away the exact prompt so you can build your own brand using the same workflow, and I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Maybe ChatGPT creates something that actually looks like a professional brand, or maybe it creates a complete disaster. There's only one way to find out. Let's paste the prompt and see what happens. Step 1. Questions. So I pasted the brand building prompt into ChatGPT, and immediately it started asking me a few questions. The first question was, what is your niche? For this example, I'm going with AI. Next, it asked, who is your target audience? I'm selecting students, beginners, and aspiring creators. Then it asked, what type of content will you create? For me, that's long-form videos and shorts. And finally, what feeling should viewers have when they see your channel? For this brand, I'm choosing trustworthy, futuristic, entertaining. Now, once you've answered these questions, ChatGPT has enough information to start building your brand. So let's move to the next step. Step 2. Channel name creation. Now ChatGPT generates multiple channel name ideas based on our niche and audience. You'll usually get dozens of suggestions, some premium, some memorable, some modern creator-style names. After looking through the options, I'm going with AI Buddy. Simple, easy to remember, easy to say, and most importantly, it already sounds like a helpful AI companion, perfect for the type of content we're creating. Once you've selected your channel name, it's time for the most important part of the entire process. Step 3. Mascot creation. Now what you need to do, go to Pinterest, select Stickman references for your original mascot brand, and tell ChatGPT, generate my unique, authentic character. ChatGPT will then generate a custom, original character designed specifically for your brand. Step 4. Character approval. Before moving forward, take a moment to review the mascot. Does it feel recognizable? Does it fit your niche? Would viewers remember it after seeing it a few times? If the answer is yes, move forward. If not, make adjustments now, because this mascot will become the foundation of your entire brand. Step 5. Logo creation. Now it's time to create the logo. ChatGPT automatically generates a logo prompt based on the mascot we just created. And the best part? The logo is designed around the mascot's signature elements. So in our case, the blue holographic glasses become a key part of the logo design. All you need to do is copy the logo prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and generate. Within a few moments, your logo starts taking shape. And now something really interesting happens. The mascot and the logo actually look like they belong to the same brand, which is exactly what we want. Once you're happy with the result, download the logo, because we're moving to the next step. Step 6. Banner creation. Now let's create the channel banner. The process is exactly the same. ChatGPT generates a professional banner prompt. Simply copy it, paste it, generate it, and wait for the result. A few moments later, your banner is ready. This is usually the moment when everything starts feeling real, because now your channel finally has a mascot, a logo, and a banner. At this point, it's already starting to feel like a real business, instead of a random YouTube channel. Download the banner, and let's keep going. Now, my favorite part, pose generation. This is where your mascot really starts coming to life. Now here's what you need to do. First, upload the pose you want to generate. Then, copy and paste this prompt. Then, upload your mascot character as the reference, and let ChatGPT do the rest. A few moments later, your mascot will be recreated in the new pose while keeping the same identity. The same same glasses, the same tie, the same smile, the same personality, only the pose changes. And that is exactly how you build a consistent, recognizable, and professional brand across every single thumbnail. And just look at what we created. We started with absolutely nothing. No channel name, no mascot, no logo, no banner, no visual identity, just an idea. And now we have a memorable channel name, a recognizable mascot, a professional logo, a branded banner, and an entire library of character poses, all created using a single ChatGPT workflow. And now you have everything you need to build one. Good luck. Build something memorable, build something recognizable, build something people can't forget, and I'll see you in the next one.